The ocean is home to an extraordinary array of creatures whose behaviors reflect the vastness and mystery of their underwater world. From dolphins' intricate social structures to the bioluminescent displays of deep-sea fish, marine animals exhibit remarkable adaptations for survival. Whales communicate across miles using haunting songs, while octopuses demonstrate problem-solving intelligence, often using tools to navigate their environment. Studying these behaviors unveils the complexity of marine ecosystems and reminds us of the need to protect these fragile habitats. The behaviors of ocean creatures are often shaped by the unique challenges of their environment. For example, schools of fish swim in synchronized patterns not only for efficiency but also as a defense mechanism against predators. Similarly, sea turtles instinctively navigate thousands of miles to return to their birthplace for nesting, guided by Earth's magnetic fields. These behaviors, refined through evolution, highlight the incredible resilience and adaptability of marine life. In the depths of the ocean, where sunlight cannot reach, creatures have evolved fascinating ways to survive. Anglerfish use bioluminescent lures to attract prey in complete darkness, while deep-sea squid emit bursts of light to confuse predators. These adaptations underscore the diversity of strategies animals employ to thrive in extreme conditions. The social behaviors of marine creatures also provide insight into their intelligence and emotional lives. Dolphins, for instance, use complex vocalizations to communicate, form lifelong bonds, and even display acts of altruism. Similarly, orcas live in tight-knit pods with distinct dialects, passing knowledge through generations. These behaviors challenge our understanding of intelligence and community in the animal kingdom. Protecting these marine marvels requires a commitment to addressing the threats they face, such as overfishing, habitat destruction, and pollution. By studying their behaviors, we gain not only scientific knowledge but also a deeper appreciation for the intricate balance of ocean ecosystems. Each creature, from the smallest plankton to the largest whale, plays a crucial role in maintaining the health of our planet. Safeguarding their habitats ensures that these wonders of the sea continue to inspire and thrive for generations to come. The beauty of marine life lies not just in its diversity, but in the interconnected roles that each species plays. Coral reefs, for example, serve as vibrant ecosystems teeming with life. Parrotfish graze on algae to keep the reefs healthy, while cleaner shrimp provide essential services by removing parasites from larger fish. These intricate relationships demonstrate the collaborative balance that sustains ocean ecosystems. Migratory patterns further reveal the remarkable behaviors of marine creatures. Humpback whales travel thousands of miles between feeding and breeding grounds, guided by an innate sense of navigation. Seabirds, like albatrosses, use ocean currents and wind patterns to cover vast distances in search of food. These migrations are not just survival strategies, they are crucial for nutrient cycling and maintaining ecological balance across regions. Marine creatures also contribute to global health in surprising ways. Phytoplankton, microscopic organisms drifting in the ocean, produce a significant portion of the world's oxygen and play a key role in carbon sequestration. The behavior of larger species, such as whales diving and surfacing, stirs nutrients in the water, supporting the growth of these essential organisms. However, these marvels are increasingly threatened by human activity. Plastic pollution entangles marine animals, while rising ocean temperatures and acidification disrupt their habitats. The behaviors that have allowed these creatures to thrive for millennia are now under pressure to adapt to rapidly changing conditions. Understanding and respecting the behaviors of ocean creatures is a crucial step toward their protection. By reducing pollution, creating marine protected areas, and supporting sustainable practices, we can ensure the survival of these species. Marine life, with its stunning complexity and beauty, is not only vital to ocean health but also a source of inspiration and wonder that connects humanity to the natural world. The mysteries of the ocean remain vast and largely unexplored, yet every discovery reminds us of the intricate and delicate web of life beneath the waves. Protecting these marine marvels is not just a responsibility, it's an opportunity to preserve the beauty, balance, and vitality of the blue heart of our planet. As we deepen our exploration of marine life, we uncover not only the astounding adaptations of individual species but also the broader implications of their survival for the planet as a whole. Marine ecosystems play a pivotal role in regulating the Earth's climate, maintaining biodiversity, and supporting human livelihoods. The behaviors of ocean creatures are integral to these processes, making their protection a matter of global significance. One of the most striking examples is the role of whales in the carbon cycle. Through their feeding and migration behaviors, whales redistribute nutrients across vast areas of the ocean. This whale pump stimulates the growth of phytoplankton, which absorbs carbon dioxide and produces oxygen. Protecting whale populations, therefore, has a direct impact on combating climate change and promoting ocean health. Additionally, the behaviors of keystone species, such as sea otters and sharks, are vital for maintaining the balance of marine ecosystems. Sea otters control sea urchin populations, preventing overgrazing of kelp forests, which serve as important carbon sinks. Similarly, sharks regulate the populations of prey species, ensuring the health of coral reefs and other habitats. The loss of these apex predators can trigger cascading effects that disrupt entire ecosystems. Human interaction with marine life can be a double-edged sword. While ecotourism and sustainable fishing can provide economic benefits and promote conservation, irresponsible practices threaten the very species they rely on. Unsustainable fishing depletes populations, while overtourism disrupts natural behaviors and habitats. Striking a balance between human activity and marine conservation is essential for long-term coexistence. Education and awareness are powerful tools in this effort. By sharing knowledge about the incredible behaviors of ocean creatures, we inspire action to protect them. Whether through documentaries, community outreach, or citizen science projects, engaging people with the wonders of the ocean fosters a sense of stewardship that transcends borders. Ultimately, the survival of marine life depends on our choices. Protecting their habitats, minimizing pollution, and addressing climate change are critical steps toward ensuring that the marvels of the ocean continue to thrive. The behaviors of these creatures are not just fascinating, they are essential to the health of our planet, and their preservation is a legacy we must safeguard for the future. The continued survival of ocean creatures and their extraordinary behaviors depends on collective global action. Governments, organizations, and individuals all play a role in safeguarding marine ecosystems. Establishing marine protected areas, MPAs, is a proven strategy for conserving biodiversity, allowing species to recover and thrive without human interference. Expanding these zones and ensuring their enforcement is critical for long-term preservation. Innovative technologies also offer hope. Advanced satellite tracking, acoustic monitoring, and underwater drones enable scientists to better understand marine behaviors, track migrations, and identify threats in real time. These tools provide essential data that inform conservation strategies, helping to protect vulnerable species and habitats more effectively. Public participation in conservation is equally vital. Simple actions, like reducing plastic use, supporting sustainable seafood, and participating in beach cleanups, can have a significant impact when adopted widely. Grassroots movements and global campaigns amplify these efforts, raising awareness about the importance of ocean health and inspiring meaningful change. Cultural shifts are also essential. Celebrating the beauty and importance of marine life through art, literature, and media helps foster an emotional connection to the ocean. This connection can motivate people to become advocates for conservation, viewing the ocean not as an infinite resource but as a shared treasure to be cherished and protected. Looking to the future, the key to preserving marine marvels lies in balance. Human innovation and development must align with the principles of sustainability, ensuring that progress does not come at the expense of the natural world. By protecting the intricate behaviors and ecosystems of ocean creatures, we safeguard not only their survival but also the health and resilience of the entire planet. The ocean remains one of Earth's greatest wonders, teeming with life that reflects nature's creativity and adaptability. Each creature, with its unique behaviors and roles, contributes to the vitality of this vast blue realm. By committing to its protection, we honor the ocean's importance and ensure its marvels endure for generations to come. As we continue to witness the impact of human activity on marine ecosystems, it becomes clear that our actions must evolve from merely protecting individual species to preserving entire oceanic processes. The interdependence of marine life underscores the importance of maintaining ecosystem services that benefit not only the creatures of the sea but also humanity. Coral reefs, for example, act as natural barriers against coastal erosion, while mangroves protect shorelines from storm surges. The behaviors of species that inhabit these ecosystems are not only fascinating but also critical to the survival of coastal communities. The conservation of marine life is increasingly becoming an issue of global security. With climate change driving ocean warming and acidification, many species are migrating to new habitats, which can lead to shifts in the balance of ecosystems. The behaviors that these creatures exhibit in response to such changes, whether through altered migration patterns, altered feeding habits, or new reproductive strategies, offer valuable insights into the adaptability of life in the face of environmental stress. These responses, however, may not always be enough to ensure survival, particularly for species already on the brink. To address these challenges, international cooperation is essential. The ocean does not recognize national borders, and so, collective efforts are needed to implement policies that govern sustainable fishing, reduce pollution, and combat climate change. The United Nations Sustainable Development Goal 14, which focuses on conserving and sustainably using the oceans, is a starting point for these global efforts. Countries must work together to set and enforce international regulations, share scientific data, and support the protection of marine biodiversity on a large scale. At the same time, local communities have a unique role to play in marine conservation. Indigenous groups and coastal populations often have deep knowledge of the sea and its creatures, passed down through generations. By combining this traditional ecological knowledge with modern science, we can develop more effective, context-specific conservation strategies that are both culturally sensitive and scientifically sound. Empowering local communities to participate in conservation efforts can also enhance the success of these initiatives, as they are often the ones most affected by environmental changes. Moreover, the future of marine conservation depends on the next generation of ocean stewards. By incorporating marine education into school curricula, we foster a deeper understanding of the ocean's importance and the challenges it faces. Programs that involve children in marine conservation activities, such as beach cleanups, citizen science projects, and marine wildlife monitoring, instill a sense of responsibility and connection to the ocean from an early age. As we move forward, the key to preserving marine marvels lies in the unity of scientific research, community action, and global cooperation. Every step we take to protect the ocean's ecosystems not only benefits marine creatures but also the broader environment and humanity. The intricate behaviors of ocean creatures are a testament to the resilience of life on Earth, and by safeguarding their habitats and preserving these ecosystems, we ensure the continuation of these extraordinary lives for generations to come. Please give this video a thumbs up, leave your comments down below, and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.